Wake it from the floor.
Oh my god, what is that?
No.
That's milk? That's so good.
Mama, dump it out?
Don't dump out. I want some coffee.
Okay.
Can I have some coffee?
Yeah.
Are you going to make me coffee? No? Yes, I like coffee. Is it coffee?
No.
What is it? That's orange juice? I like orange juice. You like orange juice?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, some of the orange juice spilled. Are you mixing it all up? Can I have some orange juice, please?
I'm mixing it.
Oh,
Uh-oh. It keeps falling.
It keeps falling.
Yeah.
maybe it's too much juice.
Maybe there's too many things in the cup.
Yeah.
Maybe you need to put in 2 different cups.
Okay. 2 different cups?
Yes,
Good thing you have some cups.
yes.
2 different cups?
Yes. Put some in one and some in the other. Oh no.
Why
I mean,
would
you
you-
put in both cups. Put the bracelets in both cups. No?
No, maybe this cup is better. It's
Put your
difficult.
bracelets in 2 cups.
Honey, it's difficult.
Put half in one cup and half in another cup. Or all.
That was broken.
Oh,
That was fixed. Uh-oh.
Again, I asked her if I can eat her tissue. She came here and pulled down her pants. Missed it again.
maybe you can do it again.
That was fixed. That was broken too.
That one is broken too. אולי את יכולה לשאול אותה עוד פעם.
No, I don't want a video.
That was broken.
But I want orange juice.
No, that was broken.
No, I don't want in a broken cup. I want in a fixed cup.
That's a fixed cup.
That's a fixed cup. Are you going to give me some orange
It's
juice?
broken.
It's broken?
Yeah,
I don't want a broken cup.
that's fixed.
That's fixed? Okay. We see it's fixed.
That
Can
was broken.
can I have some orange juice?
It's broken.
Oh, sorry.
That was fixed.
There's so many broken ones.
Did you break them? Why? Because it's dirty?
Oh.
Oh, Mama is going to drink orange juice?
That was broken.
Wait. How does... Wait.
That was broken.
Abigail, you like my necklace? Abigail, look at my head. You want this necklace back? Here you go.
No.
No, I'm going to throw it, okay? 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Here you go.
ocean. Never to be found again.
Yes. What is it? What is it, Abigail?
What is it? Why does the milk make so much noise?
Milk makes noise?